Hi and welcome back to my channel. We're gonna proceed in assembling the ECA for Scania electrical clutch actuator. I showed you guys how to strip it, how it works on the inside, and now we'll take a lot of the parts and build one ECA that works. So we got all three stripped and ready. I washed them with some water and just some dishwashing liquid. So this is the one that I stripped first before I started this video. Just want to show you guys this one at the back. Broke the casing because of the piston that came off on the motor. So this motor is no good, we can't use this one. This is the second one which I stripped, and the one that I made the video of. This one I wasn't sure what was wrong with it while we were stripping it, but I remembered I had a problem with one vehicle on the ECA, on the electrical side, on the inside, on the position sensor. So that will be this one, yeah, this magnet working on this strip, the magnetic strip here. So I think what the problem is, that we got a problem on either on the software or something is not right on the electrical system on this one. But we know though that the motor is still working. This is the one that the motor is stuck. It's not turning anymore. So yeah, we know this motor is also no good. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this motor and put it to this side. I'm going to take this one, just put it here for now. So what must go with this one is this piston, which is very, very important. We'll put that there. It will go there. This one will come this side. But now, yeah, is where the big thing comes in. What we're going to do is we're going to remove this magnet. And this one, we'll put this one this side. We'll put this one this side. So we know this magnet is working with that electronic component, and this magnet is working with that electronic component. So on this one, I showed you yesterday, I don't know if you can see, it's not, I can't see anything really wrong with this one. Everything looks in order. So we're going to take this one and assemble it to that one, and then let's see what happens. We're going to make a further video as well. We're going to take these two that is left here. I don't think you can see this one on this side. The one that came apart here, and see if we cannot rebuild the motor to this one. So we'll see what is wrong with this one. Maybe we can just take it apart and just take the casing and rebuild the motor, because this motor is still turning. It feels fine, everything is fine, just it's broken at the back. So if we can strip this one build one motor that works, then we will be able to build another ECA. Okay guys, we are ready. We cleaned this one. We cleaned on the inside where the cylinder is going to go. We cleaned on that side where the other piston is going to go. You blow out everything, make sure everything is clean. Then we're going to put the electronic side first. Just got some little bit of grease here. Going to put that on the inside there. Already put on the O-ring there just to keep it in place. Also just take some electric clean, just spray it, make sure all the dust and it's clean. Once that is done, you just pop it in. Just press it, should go in quite easy. There it's in. Now I'm just going to put the bolts back. Not too tight. Okay, so we got this one is in. Tighten it up. Let's put the motor. Just gonna put some petroleum jelly on the inside. Also around the rubber. Make sure the rubber is in there. Now the thing is, we must turn this back all the way. So this must go back all the way. Make sure it is in all the way. There we go. And then pop it in. It's in. Keep the bolts. Just make sure it's nice and tight. Now I'm going to put this back. Guys, again, while we got the opportunity, please subscribe to my videos. Also, please press the like button. If you subscribe and the new videos that I'm going to do is going to come out, you'll be able to see them first. Sorry. So yeah, please subscribe to the channel. As soon as the new videos come out, you can watch them. Got a couple of things planned. Videos what I want to do, make and show and share with you guys. So it's only going to be possible if you subscribe and like, and don't forget to press the bell, so as soon as it comes out you can view them and enjoy, and hopefully I showed you something today which will help you in the future. So then we put the cover. All the small screws. Guys, while I've got this opportunity, I just want to ask you, please subscribe to my new channel. Subscribe, like, and ring the bell. I've got a couple of amazing videos that I want to share with you. So as soon as I make them and I come upon the problems, I will make videos and share them with you guys. Okay, so that is done. I'll just make sure everything is properly tightened up. I don't want to waste too much of your time. Just one thing, this bottles always come loose like that. Just want to show you how we can fix it. Out, then this has got 2 copper spaces. See, they are worn through. I don't know if you can see there. So I'll just throw them out. Then I get a piece of pipe, air pipe, 8mm, I think 7/16. Just put it there, measure it, and then cut it, put it in. Already got another one there. This back. Just the screw. Nice and tight. Everything looks good. So the last one that is left, some petroleum jelly. Let's put it in there, and also on the one here. Just make sure the magnet is nice and clean, there's no stuff on the magnets, steel pieces. Just pop the spring in. So this is going to go this way. So you just pop this in. It's quite easy. And the retaining ring, so you're going to follow that one. And there we go. So that is now assembled. The next thing is I'll show you guys how to bleed this very, very easy without fitting it to the truck. We're gonna use these pipes here. I'll show you guys in a minute what to do. Just want to set up everything and then I'll show you. Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to bleed this ECA. Just got a normal water bottle from the vehicle, 12 volt. Just connected the pipe here, put some .4 hydraulic fluid in there. Just want to hook it up here. Got the pipe connected to the top one and the breather on the bottom. Just going to open here. Oh yeah, we just need to close this one. Just got a piece of plastic in here, so the fluid, hydraulic fluid doesn't come out there. I actually did this and then the camera didn't record it, so I have to redo this for you. So we got the breather part back into the tank to catch the hydraulic fluid. So we're going to run it until it comes out clean. So it's coming out clean. So now what you need to do is to turn the ECA this way up. That's for the air, to allow for the air to come out. Because it only filled up the first one from the bottom up upwards, and then the back one at the back is on the bottom. The piston is at the back side, so all the air is coming to the front end as well as the tank here. Just want to put that in there quickly. Just run it. And hydraulic fluid is coming out cleanly. Oopsie. So we're going to close this one. Take the pipe off. Open here. Just let some of the hydraulic fluid come up into the reservoir. It's coming up, it's enough. Then we can close this one. Guys, sorry about that, the camera stopped recording due to the memory that's full. So I just have to put in another memory card. Right, the last thing that we did is we just put some hydraulic fluid into the reservoir. We took off the cap, put a normal cap in. So let's see if this is actually working. If it's pushing back the hydraulic fluid, it's pushing it back nicely, it's going down. There's no air inside. Just push it again. Comes out. So yeah, let's just put the cap back. And that is it. We've got a working ECA. All that's left is to test the electronical. You can only do that on the vehicle. So I'll go to the vehicle and go and show you there that it's working. Just for you guys, just to make sure that I'm using the right one and that it is the same ECA. Just going to mark it here so we can know it's the same ECA. I don't know how to mark it to you guys to make sure, unless one of you want to make a mark and then make sure it's the same ECA, but yeah, it is the same ECA. I just need to put a clip here. I'll take a clip from the other one and just put it here, and then we will proceed to the vehicle, put it up on the vehicle and show you guys it's working. Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to bleed this ECA. Just got a normal water bottle from the vehicle, 12 volt. Disconnected the pipe here, put some .4 hydraulic fluid in there. Just want to hook it up here. got the pipe connected to the top one and the breather on the bottom. This is going to open here. Oh yeah, you just need to close this one. You've got a piece of plastic in here, so the fluid, hydraulic fluid doesn't come out there. I actually did this and then the camera didn't record it, so I have to redo this for you. So we got the breather pipe back into the tank to catch the hydraulic fluid. So we're going to run it until it comes out clean. So it's coming out clean. So now what you need to do is to turn the ECA this way up. That's for the air, to allow for the air to come out. Because it only filled up the first one from the bottom up upwards, and then the back one at the back is on the bottom. The piston is at the back side, so all the air is coming to the front end as well as the tank here. Just want to put that in there quickly. Just run it. And hydraulic fluid is coming out cleanly. Oopsie. So we're going to close this one. Take the pipe off. Open here. Just let some of the hydraulic fluid come up into the reservoir. It's coming up. Enough. Then we can close this one.